NH29 Dimapur Kohima Macheti Travelers Karni Advisory Exercise Kubale Thaka Toli Ja Kalipi Ja Sal Pathur Girgena Manu Lagajan Aro Jokhum Krida Nishna Pakla Baharti Mahendra Bolero driver Milagina Charjon Ja Thaka Pathur Girgena minor Jokhum Kridigena Thaka report Pailuya Sem Hotai Sal Hava Pani Season T Pakla Bahar area T Pathur Giri Thaka issue Karni Commissioner of Police Dimapur Safety Advisory Logina Travelers Khanki Jonai Dia Asem Travel Advisory Public Khan Sobra Janibole Thaka to heavy rainfall Barish I Thaka Tamti Non-Essential Movement NH29 Dimapur Kohima Macheti Condition improve Nakura Takti avoid Krubole Kodia Aro especially nighttime travelers strictly avoid Krubole Jonai Dia Sekli Barish I Thaka Tamti visibility gumti hoi thaka nimite safety karni koi dia ase aro durkari hoigena travel krubole laki thaka khantu distance aro rock slide hatsa hoi thaka jakati saigena berabole koi dia ase aro authority khan situation opoti closely monitor kugena update krubole commissioner koi dia ase ulipi hatsa look nakura aketi public cooperation laki ase especially hatsa weather condition pre-term Newly elected party councillor to the Dimapur Municipal Council Aro East Dimapur Town Council reception program team Chief Minister Rio Koidia Sabtu Nagaland Government Khantu 6th District of Eastern Nagaland People's Organization ENPO Jurisdiction T ULB seat Khali Thakya serious concern Kugina Phil Krubole Phabi Thakya Koidia Asem Rio addressing T ENPO block Khantu participate Kura Nahugina nomination tak restriction Kridisha Aro Itia ENPO jurisdiction T 14 ULB seat Khantu Kifri Tinta seat Longlin Tita seat Mon district Pasta seat Tungsang Tita seat Aro Noklak Samuter Ekta Inika Khali Rakhi Thakya Kodiasa Aro decision opportunity regret Kurase Ulipi CNTC TUN and Eklatin Hugina whole state karni ikilogo kam krubole bal time ahibo kodisha aro state government khantu ENPO block ULB area ti nominees logina nominate krubole jonai dia ase chief minister to kiman nominate krubole ase iku details koida nai holipi fund allocate hesab limited thakibo koi digena desire na thakibo pare holipi Nagaland state pura ENPO block isolation alag na rakhibo koi digena development to urban area banabole karni kam kurbo koi dia ase